It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, the 8th of August. I'm James Spann. The weather turning unsettled this week with the coverage of the daily showers and storms on the increase. Let's check things out. There's the water vapor satellite view. You can see an upper low on the board there that's over the far northeastern Gulf of Mexico. And that feature will help to make the air rather unstable this week and opening the door for an increase in rain activity. Starting off the day, mostly in the 70s, Birmingham at 78. We'll expect a high at or just over 90 today, but for the rest of the week, on many days, we'll stay in the 80s. On the watch warning map, we have heat advisories well to the west of the state. Things are quiet here. And no organized severe weather expected. This is the day one convective outlook. This is tomorrow. A slight risk way up north. And pretty much action up in the same area, well to the north of here on day 3, which is Wednesday. And understand, all storms have a tremendous amount of lightning. They can produce a wet microburst from time to time. You can't warn for those, but where they happen, they knock down a bunch of trees. We had one in Moundville and near Gadsden last week. And wow, check out the QPF. This is the rain for the next 5 days. Valid through early Saturday morning. The bullseye, 13.1 inches south of Orange Beach in the coastal waters. And the amounts vary from about a foot on the Gulf Coast up to about 2.5 inches over North Alabama. And this is some good, beneficial rain. And it is true the most widespread rain will be across the southern half of the state, but many northern communities will see some good rain this week as well. And obviously, if you have a beach trip, you're going to see just a limited amount of sun. You'll see a little bit, but unfortunately, not much. Despite that disturbance in the Gulf, we don't expect any tropical storm formation this week. The NHC guys have a little disturbance with the X mark east of the Bahamas. That'll be drifting north-northwest, but the odds of that developing are quite small, even over 5 days. So here we go, model fans, the GFS. This is valid today at 1 o'clock local time. Big trough in the western states. You see that upper low that shows up over the northeastern Gulf and parts of the Florida Peninsula. And there's a surface low near Dothan, about 1,000 millibars. So we'll expect to see a number of showers and storms forming later today and tonight. That's the high-res HER valid at 6 o'clock, and don't be shocked if we see more action than that. Tomorrow, that surface low is kind of drifting westward. It's over southwest Alabama, and again, we'll expect scattered to numerous showers and storms with maybe upper 80s. Same thing Wednesday and Thursday, just kind of an unsettled pattern. And understand, it's just not going to rain all day. It doesn't do that in the summer unless there's a tropical system involved. And the sun will be peeking out at times, but a good chance of showers and storms, mainly afternoon and evening. However, with this setup, you can't rule out the chance of some late night or morning rain. And Friday, same thing. Trough axis a little to the west of here, and again, scattered to numerous showers and storms. Weather's not going to change much for the weekend. That's Saturday, and this is Sunday. Again, occasionally cloudy, scattered to numerous showers and storms both days. It's the highs between 87 and 90. Here's a week from today. Heights coming up a little bit on Monday, but again, a very moist air mass in place, a blanket of moist air. Scattered showers and storms, 87 to 90. Here's the end of the forecast period. This is Wednesday of next week, the 17th. The 594 heat bubble beginning to show west of the state, and just maybe by then, showers thinning out a little bit with highs back in the 90s. There's the QPF straight off the GFS, and again, it kind of verifies with the WPC outlook. Those big numbers are down in the coastal waters. The max down there is 14.5 inches, with amounts up this way in the 3-inch range, and we'll sure take that. And we'll take this, here in early August. This is the hottest time of the year, and we're seeing low and mid 80s on the board this week. And then next week, highs getting close to 90, but no sign of any excessively hot weather, and that's a good thing. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.